Let's talk about the all-new Timberline from Traeger. Hi, I'm Sarah from Riverside and we're going to be talking about the all-new Timberline from Traeger. It has been the most talked about product for over a year. This grill and technology will revolutionise your outdoor cooking experience, and we will help you find out exactly why. So the all-new Timberline has been released in two sizes. You have the Timberline and the Timberline XL. Both have the same features, it's just the Timberline is 1/3 smaller than the XL. One having two 12-inch stainless steel cooking grates and the other one having three. Just from looking at them, you can see they look different from the previous model. The star feature of these barbecues is the new Induction Hob. Having this allows for super high direct cooking temperatures up to 370 Celsius. So you can sear, saute, simmer, fry so easily. So if you've ever been worried about direct cooking on the Traegers, not that you should anyway, this will put your mind at ease. This connects to the grill via Bluetooth. The Induction Hob will only get hot when you use compatible pans with it, and this means that it's anything that's magnetised at the bottom. These grills have the new colour touchscreen control panel, making them even easier to use and navigate. It provides you step-by-step instructions on screen to help with the setup, and the temperature dial can be set in 5-degree increments. The grills still connect to your smartphone via Wi-Fi technology, so you can still get all the grill guides and set the temperatures, alarms and keep warm modes. The grills have a smart combustion technology, and this is a computer that controls the auger and delivers the desired temperatures. This computer identifies when the lid is open or if there's a fire in the fire pot, and it is continuously adjusting the fan and the auger to help keep the temperatures steady and consistent. So it just helps to overcome user error. The new fire pot has small holes which allows the dust to fall through and the fan to blow the dust into the grease and ash keg. The Easy Clean grease and ash keg sits below the grease trap, so it collects the grease and ash, keeping all the cleanup in one area. Above the grease keg we have the even heat flow shield and the drip pan, which covers the whole area underneath the cooking grates. These allow the smoke up to deliver the even heat and smoke distribution with the true convection around the food that you're cooking, but holds the ash in the lower part and delivers that and the grease down into the grease keg. These grills, with them you get 2 wired meat probes and 2-meter wireless meat thermometers which connect to the grill via Bluetooth. Using your probes, they will let you know the internal temperature of the meat that you are cooking. They both have a 22-pound 9-kilo hopper capacity, where you've got your pellet sensor that will alert you when the pellets get low via the grill and your phone. You still have the magnetic bamboo chopping board, but it has been upgraded from the previous Timberlines. Underneath the hopper you have 2 shelves that you can use, but you can remove these conveniently for when you want to swap out your pellet flavours. The Stay Dry pellet bin slides in there perfectly. On the new Timberlines you have the POW rail, which stands for pop and lock, and there are various accessories that you can buy separately to ease your cooking experience and just for more customization. So you've got like a front table, a butcher paper holder, tool hooks and a storage bin. Each grill has a light which automatically switches on and lights up the grill when the lid is lifted, and it turns off when you've closed. Inside the grill we have 100% stainless steel double-walled insulated cooking chamber. There's a backsplash that holds the adjustable cooking grates, and this also stops the food from falling off the back and also helps to keep the heat inside the grill cavity, so extra insulation. Modifier accessories are available to purchase with this grill separately. You've got the grill basket, the cast iron skillet, and there are more to come. There's a storage area underneath the grill with soft touch closing doors, where inside you can store additional accessories or pellet flavours. If you've got the pellet bins, they fit in nicely there too. The on-off switch is situated at the front of the grill now, and you have 4 lock-in wheel casters. These grills are totally adaptable for your modular setups outside, so you can have your outdoor kitchen built with these sliding in just perfectly. So we hope this has explained all the features for you. We think that it's got everything that you would have or would want for a grill. Now the decision is, just which size to buy.